Welcome back to my channel. I am Avirami, and this weekend we planned for a small road trip to Cleveland. So I thought I'll take you guys also along with me. We just started from our place. So the plan for today is that first stop is to pick up our rental car, and after that we'll be heading to our town library where I'll be taking our take and make kit from there. I'll be showing you guys about the take and make kit and how to use them in future videos. And after the library work, we'll be hitting the road and we'll be going to Cleveland. And we'll be there for lunch and meeting our granny and spending some quality time with her. And after that, we'll be going to Cleveland downtown and visiting few museums. I'll take you guys along with me there. So see you there. Bye.
We are here at the first stop, the rental car station. We have already booked our car online, so we just have to show our driving license and pick up the car. This is the car that we are going to take to Cleveland, and I'll be driving for some time, and then my husband will take over for the rest of the time. One good thing about the rental car is that they've given us all the disinfecting wipes. So we just have to wipe it all around the handles that most of the people touch, and I'm just wiping my car. The next stop that we are heading to is the library. The library is quite near to the rental car station, so we already reached there. I'm heading to my library to pick up my take and make kit. I've already gotten my kit. I'll show you guys about the take and make kit later. So now we have hit the road driving to Cleveland. It'll take around some 4 hours to reach Cleveland, and Anirudh's music is giving us company all along the drive. It's going to be a really lengthy drive, and almost we have reached Ohio. Remember this bridge that we are crossing? This bridge is actually really big and very monumental. When you're crossing it, you can actually feel it's going to fall on you. So remember this bridge. I'll show you guys the same bridge in a night view. And we are just going to have a rest stop here. So we'll take a small break and then again head back driving. If you actually see the lake on the other side of the roadway is almost frozen because it's really cold here. The water is almost frozen, and in some parts you can actually see the water, and most of it has become ice. You can actually see the difference here well. So we almost reached Cleveland now, and we'll head to our granny's place. I'll catch you guys back later when we leave from our granny's place.
We just left our granny's place and we didn't know how time flew. It's already past 5. And all the museums in Cleveland, mostly they close by 5. So we couldn't make it to the museum today. But then we thought we are already here in Cleveland, so why not see the lake? So we are going to a park which is near the lake. And I'll see you guys there. Bye-bye.
We are going to see the Lake Erie. Lake Erie is very famous. It's the 4th largest of the Great 5 lakes in North America, and also it's the 11th largest in globally. So it's going to be a really big lake. So we're going to go to one park that is accessible to the lake. You can actually see the downtown Cleveland's skyline here from this park. It's quite serene and very calm, and most of the people come here for walking or taking their dogs out or just to watch the sunset. And it's very cold and breezy. These parks here are very friendly for differently able people. Most of these parks and the spaces around are wheelchair accessible. So it's really a good thing that it's made for everyone. So what we're going to do is to sit here in this OAT and then see the beautiful sunset. And while we head back, A.R. Rahman is giving us a company for the long drive that is ahead of us. So there's the same bridge in the night view that we crossed in the morning. You can actually see they have lit all the rods, and the whole bridge itself is very lit. and it looks really nice at night too.
We're heading back home now. I'm so excited about this day, and I'm so excited about doing a vlog and showing you guys how my day was. It's almost dark here, so I'll end the vlog here. Before that, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to my channel, and also let me know in the comment section if you like this vlog and if you want me to keep doing like vlogs. Thanks a lot for watching. See you soon in another video. Bye bye.